Why are Madaline neural networks considered so critical in the world of artificial intelligence? That's a question that tickles the minds of many AI enthusiasts, and today we're going to delve into that. Madaline, or multiple adaptive linear elements, is a type of artificial neural network. Imagine it as a complex web of interconnected nodes or neurons, each holding a tiny piece of information. It's like a digital version of our brain's neural network, only it's designed to learn from data and make predictions or decisions without being explicitly programmed to perform the task. Now, it's crucial to understand that a Madaline neural network consists of multiple layers. It's not just a single layer of neurons firing off information. There is an input layer, one or more hidden layers, and an output layer. This multiple layer structure is what makes Madaline networks so powerful. The input layer receives raw data, much like our senses picking up information from the environment. This information is then passed on to the hidden layers. The magic happens in these hidden layers. Here, the network learns patterns, relationships, and correlations from the data. Each neuron in these layers holds a piece of the puzzle, contributing to the overall understanding of the data. Finally, the output layer receives the processed information from the hidden layers and delivers the final result. It could be a prediction, a classification, or any other decision. Now, what makes Madaline neural networks stand out is their adaptability. These networks are designed to learn and adapt. They tweak and adjust the weights of connections between neurons based on the error in the output. This process, known as training, allows Madaline networks to improve their predictions or decisions over time. So to sum up, Madaline neural networks are like digital brains capable of learning from data and making decisions. They consist of multiple layers of neurons that process information, and their key strength lies in their ability to learn and adapt. This makes them a powerful tool in the field of artificial intelligence, capable of tackling complex tasks such as image recognition, natural language processing, and predictive analytics. In the vast ocean of artificial intelligence, Madaline neural networks are like skilled surfers, riding the waves of data, learning from them, and making informed decisions. Their multi-layered structure and adaptability make them a critical component in the AI toolkit, paving the way for more sophisticated and intelligent systems. So the next time you marvel at a piece of AI technology, remember the Madaline neural networks working behind the scenes, tirelessly processing information and learning from the data. Because it's these networks that are the unsung heroes, powering the AI revolution and shaping our future. And that, in a nutshell, is the importance of Madaline neural networks.